Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for aerial enthusiasts and content creators alike, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. We found this fantastic bundle online, and you can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact and lightweight 4K quadcopter that offers an incredible flying experience with a host of features designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography. This package includes not just the Mini 3 itself but a comprehensive array of accessories that make it a complete solution for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Let's talk about what's included in this bundle. You'll receive the DJI Mini 3 with the DJI RC remote, a micro 64GB memory card, a Pro Sling backpack for easy transport, a drone landing pad, a memory card reader, a cleaning kit, and a memory card wallet. With all these extras, you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its remarkable camera capabilities. It captures stunning 4K HDR video and high-resolution photos, making it ideal for anyone from hobbyists to professional filmmakers. The advanced gimbal camera provides 3-axis stabilization, ensuring that your footage is smooth and cinematic, no matter how you fly. Plus, the ability to shoot vertically means quick sharing to social media platforms is easier than ever. Now, let's talk about the flight experience. The Mini 3 boasts an impressive total flight time of up to 114 minutes when using the 3 intelligent batteries included in the Fly More combo. This extended flight power is complemented by a multi-battery charging hub that allows for quick recharges, ensuring you can stay in the air longer. The smart battery monitoring system also guarantees safety and reliability, so you can fly with peace of mind. For those new to flying drones, the Mini 3 is incredibly user-friendly. It features intuitive GPS stabilization, an automatic return-to-home function, and various quick-shot modes like Drone and Circle. These smart flight controls make it easier than ever to capture professional-grade footage without needing extensive flying experience. Paired with the DJI RC controller, you get low-latency live view and seamless integration with the DJI Fly app, making operation straightforward and enjoyable. So, who is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo suitable for? It's perfect for a wide range of users. Beginners will appreciate its ease of use, while experienced pilots will enjoy the advanced features that allow for creative freedom. Content creators, travel enthusiasts, and outdoor adventurers will find it an invaluable tool for capturing breathtaking landscapes and memorable moments. Practical use cases are virtually endless. Whether you're documenting a family vacation, creating travel vlogs, or simply exploring your local area, the Mini 3 is versatile enough to adapt to your needs. You can easily take it on hiking trips, to the beach, or even to special events like weddings, where you can capture unique aerial perspectives that traditional photography simply can't match. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is an exceptional drone that combines ease of use, advanced technology, and remarkable camera capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this bundle offers all the tools you need to elevate your aerial photography game. Thanks for watching.